Hey everyone, let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do, as always, you know the drill, I'm gonna apply my Body Shop serum on my skin to keep it all locked in, and a few pumps of my rose water to keep myself hydrated and fresh throughout the day. Moving on to my brows, I'm drawing them using my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Today I'm going to do 3 steps on my brow. Once I've drawn them, I'm going to shade them using my Intuit Brow Shadows and finally wax them using my Vaseline. The darker tone is what I always use because this complements and goes closer to my natural eyebrows. And they have these two eyebrow color here, but I don't really use this. I use them as an eyeshadow transition. However, I just use only this color here. I've been using this palette since I was 17 years old. During school days, this is the only affordable brow kit that I can afford. This has always been my favorite go-to. If I'm rushing out of the house, this is what I'm using mostly to give me like a natural effect. So you could see the before after. My eyebrow is done and looks thicker, it looks fuller, and it's just the way how I wanted it to be. Set my brows in place. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Vaseline. I'm gonna put it on the palm of my hand. I have washed this end. I'm gonna draw it. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3. As usual, I'm gonna skip my foundation. This lighter yellow shade as the base. I'm gonna use this to deepen up the color and this to smudge out the color, and probably add a little bit of this orange color here. Recently I went and removed my eyelash extensions, and I really love using eyelash extension. I think it sort of saves up my time to not wear on my mascara. But then I realized that my eyes had inflammations and it was turning red on my lids, on my eyelids. So I was thinking of not doing it for some time. So today it's gonna be also an easy eyes. I'm gonna use the same brush because they have the colors, and I'm just doing on top of my brow. On top of my brow. On top of my lash line. What am I talking? Sometimes I'm just so weird. I'm gonna draw it on my eyes. Eyes, right? Eyeshadow palette on your eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna just draw it on my eye. I'm gonna color my eyes now on the outer corner of my eyes. I think I love the way how this color has turned out to be on my eyes. They are really beautiful. I think this is good. I'm done doing my eyeshadow shades. I'm using my lash curler and I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes. Once I'm done curling my lashes, I will then apply my mascara. 6, 7, 8, dance the night away. I'm kind of like a bronzer person, and this bronzer from Catrice is really good. I really like how the way they turn out to be. It's just really good. I really love using this. Okay. So I'm applying my blusher on the apples of my cheeks. Just removed my lip balm, and I'm gonna use matte color here today. It's called the Russian Red from MAC Cosmetics. The kiss now, I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like it. I'm gonna top off with this color here. It's called the Black Cherry. Wanna see what this could be. I am ready for that heartbreak. Whenever you guys have any kind of excessive lipstick that goes on your skin, you can use a concealer to conceal it, but I have skipped my entire foundation and concealer routine because I love going out the way I look. My skin is just healing from the entire acne scarring, and I don't want to mask it with foundation and get it all covered because I really want them to heal. It took me a really long time to heal my skin, truly it did. So I don't want to mess this up this time. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and follow me on my Instagram, on my Twitter, and let's just be friends. So I hope you guys enjoy this makeup video. Till we meet again next time. Bye.
Dance the night away.